Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful color. I use 4 millimeters hook and 4 millimeters yarn. I use acrylic yarn for this work. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, tie yarn, yarn over, pull up yarn and make chains. Chaining, I show like this. I made 75 chains in this work. In here, add 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, skip 2 chains, go to this chain, take 2 yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, go to next chain, take 2 yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through, make double crochet stitches in these chains, pull through, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 double crochet in each stitch for first row. One double crochet in each chain. We have 75 double crochet stitches in first row. I show like this. With first chains we have 76 stitches in total. Go to last stitch, make double crochet and complete first row. Make chains 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, turn it. Skip these stitches in here, go to this stitch. Skip this stitch. Make 1 double crochet. Add 2 chains. I show, yarn over, go to same stitch, make 1 double crochet. We make V stitch in this stitch. Skip 1 stitch in here, I show like this. We have 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet in 1 stitch. Skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch. Make 1 double crochet. Pull through, same as before, stitches. Skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch. Make 1 double crochet. Add 2 chains. Make 1 more double crochet in this stitch. Make V stitch. Skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch, make V stitch. One double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet. skip one stitch, go to next stitch, make one double crochet. I show we have one V stitch, one double crochet, one V stitch, one double crochet, and repeat like this for this row. I make this stitch, skip one stitch, go to this stitch, make one double crochet. In last stitch we have one double crochet, skip last chains and turn it. This space for button. Continue from this V stitch. Yarn over, go to this V stitch, make one double crochet, two double crochet, add one more double crochet in here, two chains, one double crochet, two double crochet. We have 4 double crochet in V stitches. Go to top of this double crochet, make one double crochet, go to next V stitch, continue same as this stitch, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet, add 2 chains, 2 double crochet, make one double crochet in top of this stitch, two double crochet, two chains, two double crochet, and continue like this for this row. Make one double crochet in top of this double crochet stitch, make two double crochet, two chains, two double crochet like this for this row. Go to this stitch and complete this row. In last stitch, make V stitch, two double crochet, two chains, two double crochet, go to second chain in here, and make 1 double crochet in last stitch. Make 1 double crochet, complete this row, make chains, turn it, go to this V stitch, first V stitch, continue from here. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, add 1 more double crochet, 2 chains, 1 2 3 double crochet in here, 2 chains, 3 double crochet, 1 2 3. We have 6 double crochet in this stitch. Go to this double crochet, make 1 double crochet and continue same as these stitches. Make 1 double crochet, 3 double crochet in V stitch, 2 chains, 3 double crochet. I show complete this row, 1 double crochet, go to last stitch, 1 2 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 2 3 double crochet, go to second chain in here, make 1 double crochet,